Welcome back everyone. In today's video, we will use small friends addition concept for solving 2-digit by 2-digit and 3-digit by 3-digit numbers. To solve these numbers, make sure you know the concept very well. I've also shared the link of small friend addition in the description below. Now let us try and understand small friends with the help of these examples. Let us begin with the first question. 5 plus 3. 5. Add 3. How will I add 3? We can do it directly. So add 3. The answer is 8. Next one. 12. Add 3. 12. Add 3. How will I add 3? Now first thing we have to check is, do we have enough beads here? No, we don't have enough beads. I need 3 beads here. So we use the small friend addition concept. So do you remember the formula? Add the boss and less the friend. So add the boss, that is 5, and less the friend of 3, that is 2. So my answer is 15. Okay, let's do the next one. 23 add 14. 23. 23. Add 14. So 14, that is 1. So we have enough bead. So I put 1 here. I need to add 4. I don't have enough bead. So again we use the small friend addition concept. Add the boss 5 and less the friend of 4, that is 1. So my answer is 37. Okay, next question. 36 add 22. So 36. Add 22. 20. I need 2 beads here. So what do I do? We again use the small friend concept. So add the 5 and less the friend of 2, that is 3. And then again I need to add 2 more, that is answer is 58. Okay, next one. 74 add 23. 74 add 23. We go one step at a time. Okay, so 20. Do I have enough beads? Yes, 20. And 3. I don't have any beads here. So add the boss and less the friend of 3, that is 2. So my answer is 97. Next one. 64 add 22. 64. 64 add 22. So do we have enough beads? Yes, 20 and 2. I don't have enough beads. So what's the formula? Add the 5 and less the friend of 2, that is 3. So my answer is 86. Let's do the next one. 31. 31 add 46. Add 40. Now I don't have enough beads here. So let's go with the same formula. Add 40. So add the 5. And who's the friend of 4? That is 1. So less 1. And add 6. Can we do it directly? Yes. Add 6. So my answer is 77. Next one. 53 add 24. 53. 53 add 24. Do we have enough beads? Yes, 24. So add the boss and less the friend of 4, that is 1. So my answer is 77. Now let's try 3 digit by 3 digit using small friend addition. The first one, 356 add 432. So 356. We place the number first. Add 432. We'll go one step at a time. 400. So we do have enough beads? No, we don't have enough beads. So same formula applies. Add the 5 and less the friend of 4. That is 1. So 400 is done. 30. Do we have enough beads? Yes. 32. So my answer is 788. Next one. 126 plus 443. 126 plus 400 plus 400. How do I do 400 here? Add the 5 and less the friend of 4, that is 1. So 400 is done. 40. How do I do 40 here? Again, add the 5 and less the friend of 4, that is 1. 443. We have directly. We can do it. So my answer is 569. Let's take the next question. 643. 643 add 236. 200. Do we have enough beads? Yes. 230. 30. So add the 5 and less the friend of 3, that is 2. And add 6. We can do it directly. So my answer is 879. Next one. 453 plus 134. 453 plus 100. 100. So add the 5 and less the friend of 1, that is 4. 130. 30 we can do it? Yes. 4. How do I do 4? Add the 5 and less the friend of 4, that is 1. So my answer is 587. I hope you're confident enough to solve 2-digit and 3-digit sums with the help of small friends addition. And this is the task for today. Do write the answers in the comments below. If you have found any value from our channel, please do like, share and subscribe to us. And also share this to someone who wants to learn Abacus. Do consider recommending my channel. Feel free to give us your feedback. Thank you. See you in the next video. Till then, keep practicing and keep mastering the technique of Abacus with Fatima. Allah Hafiz.